There she is. There she is.
Hi, hello. Yes, it's me. So it's Saturday, and Tyler is running to me. They say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. You're happy.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's Saturday. Be able to take care of babe today. So first thing, take care of Tyler, because if I only take care of babe, that doesn't work. So I have to take care of Tyler. I already made his breakfast, so now I'm gonna make babe breakfast. So she wants tea, she wants egg sandwich. So yeah, that's gonna be my first mission of the day. What time is it? 9:15. I'm tired, but I have duty.
What time is it?
It's 9:15.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
What you gonna do today?
I'm going to play with Papa because I like to play with Papa.
Okay, you're gonna play with Papa today?
Yeah.
Okay, but you know Papa have lots to do. But that's okay, you're gonna help Papa?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a nice boy. And after we're gonna play together. So what you wanna play?
The Pikachu yesterday. I want to play the Paw Patrol, my twin truck, my dinosaur, and my Lego.
Okay.
That's what I said yesterday.
Okay, Papa Patrol Lego. Okay. Alright.
Time. Nap time,
It's
Hanson.
my big red.
Nap time. Lay down. I like you here.
Your big red.
Nap time. Ah. All right, go to nap. Lay down. Tell Faith, see you guys soon. Mwah. Oh, Lordy. All right, go to nap. I love you too. Bye. See you soon.
To the school.
Client number 2. More like client number 3 because I was client number 1.
top one.
How sweet so. How sweet so. Over my knees. Over my knees.
You are responsible of all of my headache. You are responsible of all of my headache.
Also,
You are responsible of 90% of them.
anything you feel bad?
No, you don't feel bad. That's natural for you.
My job here is done, Grinch. Grinch, make sure you. Let me show them how handsome you look.
Wait, look something else.
Oh my gosh, it feels so weird not sitting down and talk to you guys all morning. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I have been busy for the most part. I slept in this morning a little bit. Well, babe made me breakfast in bed, God bless his soul. And he looked after Tyler, he ironed, and he did some stuff around here until I joined him and we cleaned together. And I washed my hair, finally got my hair washed. Today's kind of hair day because I got my hair washed. I give Tyler a haircut, wash his hair, put him down for a nap. Cut babe here, and now babe is taking a shower so we can take a nap because Tyler will nap for the next probably like hour, so at least we can throw an hour in. But yeah, that's what has been going on today. It's very cloudy, it's ugly outside today, though it's not cold, but it's cloudy, and it was even raining earlier. Hopefully wherever you guys are, you're having a better weather than we are having, and you're enjoying your sunshine. And if you're still having a little cold, then stay warm, stay bundled, and drink a lot of tea. We love you guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of today's vlog. It's more of a staying vlog today. Somebody will be coming by later to install some nails on this wall for me, to put up my art piece finally, and to install two things in baby girl room. Her light need to put up, and the little heart that I have to put on the wall needs to go up, but the part of the wall is too tough, so I definitely need the machine. So they're coming today to get it done. I'll show you guys while they're here and when the art piece go up what it will look like, but we'll finally have an art piece over the TV, so that is good. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys have a good day, whatever it is that you guys are doing today, whether you're going to work, school, play, staying home, having fun, whatever it is that you guys are doing, have the best time doing it. Stay blessed, stay love you guys, and I am going to get myself a nap. So I'll catch you guys later, but first let me guys show you baby girl. She's here stiffing me out as usual, and as you guys can see, I am doing pretty well today. I'm doing pretty well today, so give thanks for that. There she is. There she is. She's here stiffing me out as usual, so we're going to rest right now, and we'll catch you guys after nap.
Want one?
If I want one of what? Yes, please. You guys, we all took a nap and woke up and went straight to KFC and came back home, and we are gonna grab right now. Tyler already started eating. What you eating, Pumpkin? Tell Faves what you're eating.
Popcorn chicken nugget.
Popcorn chicken nugget.
Yes.
And of course, Babe and I having wings. So we're gonna grab real quick because we have somebody coming to the house in a bit. So we need to finish eat before that
What
person
time
comes.
is it?
It's almost 6 p.m. Okay? So let's eat. So our wall finally have our art piece. Yay! Isn't that pretty? It's perfect. And by the way, it's New York. It's a art piece of overlooking New York. So beautiful, so pretty, and it's perfect. I think it matching with our decor so well. So yay, all done finally. And let me show you guys in baby girl room. Her light is finally up, and the little heart that I wanted to put up is finally up. So let me show you. So this is the heart that I just put up.
It looks nice.
It's very pretty.
It's a little bit
Lean.
no, it's not lean at all.
So it's a little bit what?
It's a little bit high.
It's perfect the way it
one day
is.
the TV will change, for example,
And become bigger.
and
it's
become
not
bigger.
too high. It's
And
not too high at all.
It's nice.
It's not too high. I don't want it no lower than that. If it was lower than that, it wouldn't look good.
No. Because like you said, the TV one day will be, or even the TV might one day be like
Higher.
or straight on the wall, and the TV will, you see?
It's
Bigger,
very
so
good. It's I think we choose a perfect art. All right, so there you guys have it. All done.
Hi, babes.
One nail to unbox.
We need not scissors. I think we need scissors.
No, we don't need any
Can
scissors.
you?
Let's see what it is.
I know what it is.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for Tyler outfit in his room that I showed you this morning. Carrie, come give me, please, honey. Okay. Oh. Well. This is an outfit for baby girl. And this outfit is actually coming from one of my best friends, Sally as I love to call her, which is Tyler's godmother. What's the name of your godmother? Auntie Sally? Yeah. She sent a bunch of stuff for baby girl, so they're coming one by one in the mail. And she also sent some stuff for Tyler. You like baby girl outfit?
Yeah.
And she
You
sent...
want to take it too?
She sent this one for Ty, but I already had hung it up because I pulled it a few days ago. So it's a shirt with a bow tie attached to it, and it comes with. Let me show you guys what it comes with. You guys, I'm laying down because I'm not feeling 100. I need to rest. So I'm resting. It comes with this short right here, and it also comes with a white belt. I think it's the cutest thing ever. Hi. No, they need to go in the bin. So those are all the things that we got from unboxing. I'm super in love with this. Thanks, Sally. I love it. Jeez. Alright, you guys. So there you go. An outfit for Ty and an outfit for baby girl, which I super love. So cute. And I want you to take. It's so pretty, right?